up guys, welcome to my pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, come over to Everythingteash. Okay, all right. So as you can see, I got my hair in some big twists that I just did. It's a 2-week hairstyle until I can wash my hair. So I don't know if it looks like that. Okay, anyways, I just put these twists in. If you didn't see that video, I already added the video as a short here on YouTube, but I'll show you right here or right here. Yep. Anyways, so it's already the 4th of December. So I want to be a little bit more festive. I don't have a couch, and you guys would have already seen that if I already uploaded the videos of the move-in series coming right up. I'm going on 1, 2, 3 couches since I've been here. I sent them all back or sold it on Facebook Marketplace. If I don't like something, I don't want it, ever. And I'm serious. I bought a blow-up bed from Walmart. It's been about, I feel like we've been on it for at least a month now. I've never seen a blow-up bed get so tired of human beings on it. So now it's like not getting as stiff as it was in the beginning. So I'm gonna deflate that. I wanna clean up. I'm gonna show you guys. This is not the tour. You're gonna see bits and pieces of the place. I love it down. I don't have to worry about my neighbors anymore. Let me just keep you guys up to date. I have 3 chairs. Really like it. The theme of here was supposed to be cream, but the couch that I got is dark gray. So I have these chairs that I have not been able to sell yet. By the time you're ready to send it back to Amazon, you're paying $400 something. So you either gotta keep it or you gotta resell it. This intro is already long. I hope you guys are still here. Okay, 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 okay. Time for it to go down. So I'm gonna just let that deflate some more because it's a lot of work. Look at my wall. That was laid down there so it wouldn't scratch up the wall, but too late. I actually forgot to add the carpet odor thingy. I love it. This, you got to get it. The next day, I was very tired last night, so time to do some laundry. It's actually 11:44 p.m. I'm only gonna do about 1 to 2 loads, and that's it. It is 8:58 p.m. I took a break there for a while, so let me show you guys what the place is looking like. Obviously, I don't have a couch. It's coming next week.